Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2020 video tutorial. A short one, because I want to show you the beauty or the magic of the PEDIT command. So I've got 5 extrude surfaces here, which I've created with polylines. Now I want to make it into one surface which has sort of the look of a pentagon, not a regular one but a pentagon. So I want to close those gaps and to get rid of those parts of those surfaces which overlap, and that's possible with the PEDIT command, which you could find on the home tab here. Modify that one, or you just could type PEDIT, go for multiple in the context menu, select all the objects right here, right click, go for join. You will be asked a fuss distance, which should be bigger than the biggest gap. So I went for 200, but the gap is maybe 10 or 20, so 100 would do as well. Okay. And confirm, and something happened. So in order to show you the result, let's go for isolate objects, move here, select it and confirm. And you see, it trimmed, shortened and extended those surfaces to make one surface. In this case, it's a pentagon. So how did this work? I want to show you. Okay, so that's my start sketch, the 5 polylines with which I began. So you could do it with normal lines as well, because the PEDIT command will convert them to polylines. So let's go for PEDIT, or first do the extrudes. So go for extrude, select those polylines, right click, enter, and make that extrude. Okay, and now maybe move all these over there. Okay, now in order to close those gaps and trim those lengths here, you have to use a fuss distance with this bigger than these lengths and those gaps. So let's hide those surfaces. If you create those surfaces, make sure that this switch is on, which means the surfaces are associative to the polylines, which means if you lengthen or shorten those polylines, the surfaces will adapt. Now let's go for PEDIT. Right click, multiple, select those polylines, right click, go for join, and now the fuss distance, I went for 200, 100 should do as well. And if you ask this question, you can go for an option, right click, join type. So you could extend or shorten those polylines. You could add polylines, which means it would close those gaps with additional lines, and you can choose both. In order to work, I went for extend. So confirm and confirm. So it almost worked. Seems I have to go for 200 because that's too small. So go undo, go for PEDIT, select multiple. Now it's still on what it's called, join, it's called right click, join type is extend, yeah, sorry, and 200. See, that works because that distance is big enough to catch all these problems, and enter. And now if I show you the resulting surfaces, you will see they've adapted, and because there are the original ones here as well, you have to isolate. So go for isolate that result surface like this, right click, and you see the result. Please note, in order to make this work, you have to make sure your dull object variable is set to 0. Otherwise, if you make an extrude, you will lose, for example, the polylines, and then it will not work. So I hope this is helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more short ones, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. It would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.